Good morning, students. So let's continue with the problems. Take down illustration 21. Following is the distribution of marks in statistics obtained by 32 students. Calculate the median marks. So they have given us mid values and frequency. So how do we find out the lower limit? Lower limit is equal to m minus half into I. So m is 5 minus 1 by 2 into 10. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then we have upper limit m plus half into I, 5 plus half into 10, 5 plus 5, that is 10. So the first class interval will be 0 to 10 and remaining can be found out. So we have first column class interval, then we have frequency, and then we have cumulative frequency. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Frequencies 4, 6, 10, 7, 3, 2. So n is equal to 32. Cumulative frequency 4, 10, 20, 27, 30, 32. So m is equal to n by 2th item, 32 by 2, that is 16th item. Go to the cumulative frequency. 16 is 20 to 30. Cumulative frequency will be 10 and frequency is also 10. So m is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. 20 plus 16 minus 10 divided by 10 into 10. So 20 plus 6 divided by 10 into 10. 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. Therefore, median is equal to 26. Clear? Take down illustration 22. Find the missing frequency of the group 20 to 30 when the median is 24. So they have given us size and frequency. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 5, 25, F, 18 and 7. Next we find cumulative frequency 5, 30, 30 plus F, 48 plus F, 55 plus F. N is equal to 55 plus F. So how much is median? Median is 24. So it lies in the class interval 20 to 30. So write down, since median 24 lies in the class 20 to 30, median class is 20 to 30. So what is the formula? L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. 20 plus 55 plus f minus 30 divided by f into 10. Median is 24. So 24 minus 20 is equal to 55 plus f divided by 2 minus 30 divided by f into 10. 4 f will go that side. 4f is equal to 55 plus f minus 2 is the LCM, 60 divided by 2 into 10. 8f is equal to 55 plus f minus 60 into 10. So it is if 8f is equal to f minus 5 into 10. If f is equal to 10f minus 50. 10f minus 8f is equal to 50. F is equal to 2f is equal to 50. F is equal to 50 by 2, that is 25. Therefore, missing frequency is 25. Next, take down illustration 27. Calculate mode from the following data. They have given us class interval and frequencies. 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. 3, 4, 6, 10, 6, 4, 3. So which is the highest frequency? It is 10. So write down, since 60 to 70 has the highest frequency, modal class is 60 to 70. So what is the formula? Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. 60 plus F1 is 10, F0 is 6, F2 is 6. So 10 minus 6, 2 into 10 minus 6 into 10. So it is 60 plus 4 divided by 20 minus 12 into 10. So we get 60 plus 4 divided by 8 into 10. 60 plus 5, that is 65. Therefore mode, that is Z, is equal to 65. Next, take down illustration 28. Calculate mean if mode is 16 and mean is 15.73. So mode is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. 16 is equal to 3 into 15.73 minus 2 into x bar. 16 is equal to 47.17 minus 2x bar. 47.19 minus 16 is equal to 2x bar. 31.19 is equal to 2x bar. X bar is equal to 31.19 divided by 2, that is 15.6. Therefore mean is equal to 15.6. Next, take down illustration 29. The arithmetic mean, the mode and the median of the group of 75 observations were calculated to be 27, 34 and 29. It was later discovered that one observation was wrongly read as 43 instead of 53. Examine to what extent the calculated values of 3 average will be affected by the error. So we know n is 75. We know arithmetic mean is 27. So x bar is equal to summation x by n. 27 is equal to summation x by 75. Summation x will be 75 into 27, that is 2025. So we need to find corrected x bar. So what is the formula? It is summation x, that is wrong, minus wrong value plus correct value divided by n. So 2025 minus 43 plus 53 divided by n is how much? 75. We get 27.13. So write down the conclusion. The value of mean is affected, full stop, but the value of median and mode will not be affected by this error because these are positional value and the median is 29, which is far away from the values 43 and 53. Full stop. Similarly, the value of mode will not be affected by the error since the modal value 34 is far from the values 43 and 53. Take down illustration 30. Calculate mean, median, mode from the following data. They have given us class interval and frequency. So in case of mean, we need to find out the mid values, and from that mid values we need to multiply m into f, or you can also use the shortcut method, that is d is equal to x minus a divided by c, and then we'll multiply f into d. So first class interval 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. Frequency 18, 37, 45, 27, 15, 8. Mid value 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. So what is the common factor? Common factor will be 10. So 35 and assume mean will be highest plus lowest divided by 2. That is 60. 60 is not there. So assume value will be 55. So it is 35 minus 55 divided by 10. We get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then we find f into d minus 36, minus 37, 0, 27, 30 and 24. So what is the total of summation fd? It is 8. And what is n? N here is 100. So how do we find x bar? So it is a plus summation fd divided by summation f into I. A is 55 plus 8 divided by 150 into 10. 55 plus 0.53. We get 55.53. Therefore, mean is equal to 55.53. Then we need to find out the median. It is n by 2. 150 divided by 2, that is 75. We need to find cumulative frequency. 18, 55, 55 plus 45, 100, 127, 142 and 150. So 75 lies in which class? It is 50 to 60. So median class is 50 to 60. So what is the formula? L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. It is 50 plus 75 minus 55 divided by 45 into 10. 50 plus 20 divided by 45 into 10. 50 plus 4.44, that is 54.44. Therefore, median is equal to 54.44. Then in case of mode which is repeated highest number of time, it is 45. So modal class will also be 45. So write down, since 50 to 60 has highest frequency, modal class is 50 to 60. So what is the formula? Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. So it is 50 plus 45 minus 37. 2 into 45 minus 37 minus 27 into 10. It is 50 plus 8 divided by 90 minus 64 into 10. 50 plus 8 divided by 26 into 10. 50 plus 3.08, that is 53.08. Therefore, mode is equal to 53.08. Clear? So we are done with this chapter. Tomorrow onwards we would be starting a new chapter. Thank you.